all in my hair. Every single strand is coated in this mousse. Go get you some if you haven't tried it already. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my quick wash and go routine. I say quick because I'm really trying to get this done. I'm tired, I wanna go to bed, but my hair is a mess. It's been in this bun for like about 3 days. I did kind of a little mini pre-treatment. So on this side of my hair, I just put some castor oil and some coconut oil. And on this side of my hair, I got some Olaplex number 3 and number 6. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna put these gloves on, I have my nails done, and I got like some charms on there, and I just wanna prevent like ripping. So you see me sectioning this blonde piece of my hair away from the black hair to prevent the black from bleeding into the blonde. And yes, it has happened before and it is a pain. I thoroughly wet my hair. I just use lukewarm water. For shampoo, I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 4 Bonding Maintenance Shampoo. Now, when I shampoo my curly hair, I really only apply the product to my roots and scalp, and I really just massage it in, make sure that my scalp is super clean.
Love yours.
So this is my favorite part of wash day. For a more intense wash, I like to take a scalp stimulator brush and put some hot water on it. Then I massage my scalp with it. I'm gonna really get into my scalp and make sure it's clean from all oils and all products from the week. And this is also really good for hair growth as it stimulates the hair follicles. Honestly, if you don't get one of these because of the benefits, just get it because of how good it feels. So I'm gonna rinse all of that shampoo out of my hair now. Please don't mind the crazy faces that I'm making. Despite my face, I'm having the time of my life recording this, I swear.
Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed.
So you know what they say, wash, rinse, repeat. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna repeat those same steps one more time.
You be drinking all the time, 'cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Pain still lingers on mine.
The second time, I actually am going to bring that shampoo down a little bit on my ends, and then I'm going to rinse it out.
Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better like this. Better than yours. No such thing as like this. Better than yours. Think being broke is better like this. Better than yours.
Now I'm just going to quickly repeat those same steps on that blonde piece. This part is super quick because it's not that big of a section.
Though I'm not sure what's about to happen.
So after I shampoo that section, I'm going to use this Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner only on that blonde piece because I'm trying to kind of repair that hair that is bleached.
I'm tired of living with demons because they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean, it's just...
I'm going to go back under the water because I want my hair really wet for detangling. And I'm going to be using this deep conditioner by Kaleidoscope. This is a 3-minute mask, literally 3 minutes and done. So that's why I love this for my quick wash and go days. Now, we're going to keep it real on my channel. My hair was extremely tangled. I'm not even going to lie to you. We've all been there, it happens. So I'm just going to use a lot of water and a lot of this deep conditioner to detangle my hair. Now thankfully I have a pretty good detangling brush. A brush like this one is going to make it less painful to detangle your hair because as you can see, the teeth are flexible, so it's not going to necessarily rip through your hair. I'm just trying to be as gentle as I can be, starting at the ends of my hair and working my way up. If I feel a tangle, I will go back down to the ends and try to work my way back up. It may look like I'm being rough, but I'm really not. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. By the way, this detangling brush is from Rizzo's Curls. I really like it, but I've had it for such a long time. I'm actually in the market for a new brush. I've seen a whole bunch of different ones going viral and stuff, so if you have any recommendations, let me know.
Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shawl. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn, baby girl.
So finally, I'm finishing up detangling my hair. I did put some of that kaleidoscope mask onto that bleached piece, just on top of that Olaplex conditioner, and I'm gonna leave this in my hair for a minimum of 3 minutes. So we are now out of the shower. It took me longer than expected because my hair was really tangled. I did not expect it to be that tangled. I lost a lot of hair, but we're gonna keep it moving. I'm not gonna think about it too much before I end up crying. But I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair, put my gloves on. Okay, so the star of the show today is the Dew Mousse. This right here is fire. I really like this. I found this maybe like about 6 months ago. This has been my go-to product. It's really easy to apply. You don't have to like keep on wetting your hair, which at least saves you like 10 minutes of like just in. You can apply this on dry hair, you can apply this on wet hair. It's gonna give you the most definition on dry hair. So let's get started. I'm gonna part my hair. Take this mousse. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. The nice thing about mousses too is that it doesn't leave your hair like too crunchy to where like you have to like wait a couple days for the cast to break. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. I'm just raking this through my hair. This is actually my first time using this on black hair. So I'm excited for the shine that I know that I'm gonna get.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark purple. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit.
Truthfully, I have about 3 different curl types in all of my hair. I think a lot of people are like that. The nape of my hair, like down here, it's like super soft. The curls are very loose. The sides too, like my edges and all this right here, it's thinner too. And then right up here, that's kind of my problem area. Top of my hair is the frizziest, and I used to hate it, but I've just learned to love the hair that grows out of my head.
Scared of the good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh,
So if you've made it this far, I want to thank you and also remind you to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so turn on those bell notifications so that you're notified every time that I post. This is going to be actually a two-part video. Right now I'm obviously showing you guys how I apply the product. I'm going to do a whole separate video on how I diffuse and how I shape my hair. You can go straight into diffusing if you'd like, but I kind of like to let this product sit a little bit because they have moisturizing ingredients that I want my hair to kind of absorb. Then I will dry my hair. I'm gonna go to sleep with it. The product is all in my hair. Every single strand is coated in this mousse. Go get you some if you haven't tried it already. They have this one. They also have like a honeybee one. I'm gonna diffuse my hair and then tomorrow I will stretch it out and shape it and then I will show you guys the finished result. This is the finished result. I really loved it. I'm so in love with this product. For 2023, this was definitely my top 2 and not 2. You heard. I hope I find some new products this year that I enjoy just as much as this one. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.